Hi everyone, my name is Rithwik Jayasimha and welcome to my course, Post-Exploitation, Pillaging and Data Exfiltration. I'm an independent security consultant based out of Bangalore and have a passion for breaking things. This course is for anyone interested in the processes in the post-exploitation stage and follows the guidelines outlined in the Pentest Execution Standard. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include pillaging, the what, how, and whys, the processes involved in the final stages of a pen test prior to reporting, the best practices to be followed during the process of pillaging and data exfiltration, evading detection by systems put in place such as IDSs. By the end of this course, you'll know some of the various techniques involved in the pillaging stage and data exfiltration stages, and will further be able to create your own custom chains of attack to exfiltrate data. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the command line and with networking fundamentals. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into live pen tests with courses on custom exploit development and advanced IDS evasion techniques. I hope you'll join me in this journey to learn about post-exploitation with the Post-Exploitation, Pillaging and Data Exfiltration course at Pluralsight.